NextDoor is a social network designed specifically for neighborhoods connecting real people who live nearby. To join, you verify your address, ensuring a trusted environment for local discussions. The app acts as a digital town square. Residents share news, organize events, and offer support. You'll find recommendations for local businesses, updates from public agencies, and even a lost and found for pets. NextDoor's marketplace lets neighbors buy, sell, or give away items, making transactions simple and local. The platform's main feed keeps you in the loop about everything happening nearby. Whether you're searching for a reliable handyman or welcoming new neighbors, NextDoor is your go-to resource. Its design encourages real-world connections and safer, happier communities. Think of it as your neighborhood's online bulletin board, accessible anytime, anywhere. NextDoor brings your community online, making it easier to stay informed and connected. NextDoor bridges the gap between neighbors, making introductions and casual conversations easy. You'll hear about block parties, cleanup days, and local gatherings, helping you feel part of something bigger. Real-world friendships often start with a simple online post. The app is a hub for timely alerts. Power outages, road closures, or safety concerns reach you fast. Local agencies use NextDoor to share important updates directly with residents. Join groups based on shared interests, from gardening to book clubs, and connect with like-minded neighbors. Recommendations for local services come from people you trust, your own community. NextDoor turns neighbors into friends and your neighborhood into a true community. It's a simple way to stay engaged and make your area feel more like home. NextDoor isn't perfect. Negativity and disputes can surface quickly. Arguments over small issues sometimes spiral, and moderation relies on local volunteers, leading to inconsistency. Ads and sponsored posts can clutter your feed, making the platform feel commercialized. Volunteer moderators may apply rules unevenly, causing frustration or even censorship concerns. Privacy is a real issue. Your real name and address are required, linking your online presence to your home. Be cautious about what you share. Details about vacations or home security can be risky. NextDoor's data practices have raised concerns, so review your privacy settings carefully. While NextDoor can unite communities, it's important to protect your information and manage expectations. Stay alert and use the platform wisely to avoid pitfalls. With the right precautions, you can enjoy the benefits while minimizing the risks. NextDoor is ideal for new residents, families, and anyone eager to connect locally. It's a fast way to tap into neighborhood knowledge, find services, and get involved. If you value privacy or dislike online drama, consider your comfort level before joining. Experiences vary. Some neighborhoods are welcoming, others less so. The platform's usefulness depends on your goals and your community's culture. If you want to be informed, connected, and engaged, NextDoor can be a powerful tool. Just remember to set boundaries and adjust your privacy settings. Used thoughtfully, NextDoor can make your neighborhood feel smaller, friendlier, and more connected.